Hi! Today we have a Peugeot 301 with a 1.2 liter petrol engine. I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs. To remove the spark plugs, first I have to disconnect and remove the ignition coils. So that means that I have to pull this orange plastic, and after that I can pull this pin, this black plastic pin, and I can disconnect the ignition coils. And now I need a 8mm wrench to open these 3 bolts and pull out the ignition coils. They are easy to pull out, just move them a little. And now I need a 16mm wrench to open the spark plugs. And I need a long bit so I can open the spark plugs. I'm opening anti-clockwise. Because they are down below, I'm going to use a magnet to pull them out, or you can do it with pliers. Now we can see the condition of the spark plugs, and we can notice that the gap between the spark plug and the metal part is very big. That's why I'm going to replace them with new ones. Here I have new spark plugs that I'm going to install on the vehicle. So now we can see the difference on the gap. I am tightening clockwise now. Now I can return the ignition coils. Tighten them with 8mm nuts, bolts. And also reconnect the wiring. And now I can start the engine. Previously the engine was shaking a little bit, but now it's working fine. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.